It's really nice. He's been very good. Go on. Good boy. There we go. Just walk over. And no, you can hear Mummy. And no. He knows it. Good boy.
Ready?
Yeah, whenever you are.
So, we are currently at the York Dungeons, ready to celebrate the beginning of the Rat Cafe. Could you introduce yourself to us, please?
Hi, I'm Rachel. I am the social media officer and head of the publicity for the Yorkshire Rat Club. What are you doing, you cheeky boy?
It's fine. And who am I holding here?
That's Ed. He is very cheeky. He's still quite young, and he just loves people, and clearly wants to get down your top. Oh dear me, buddy.
And who have you got over there?
I have got Sirius over here, who has been a lot more well behaved. Just sitting on my shoulder. Good boy.
So, how many rats have you got in total?
I've
You've just got 2 of them here.
I have 16 rats in total. We've got 14 who live all together and another 2 who live separately.
Excellent. So, why York Dungeon for a rat cafe, I wonder?
Well, obviously the York Dungeon has got all kind of things, you know, to do with the plague and stuff like that, and kind of York is associated a little bit with rats as well because of the river. And, you know, I'm part of the Yorkshire Rat Club, Yorkshire, and we just thought it'd be a really good idea. You know, we've got the cat cafes that have been going around the country, and we just thought it'd be a really nice, unique, new idea to let people meet rats, see what they're like, and kind of dispel some myths as well.
Definitely. Now, you talk about dispelling some myths. What would you say might surprise people about these rats?
So, there are quite a few things that kind of surprise people about rats. So one of them is their intelligence. So rats are very, very clever. They actually have the intelligence of like a 2 to 3 year old human. They are very, very clever. They are just as clever as dogs, if not more clever. They're also really, really clean as well. So they clean themselves more than cats do.
Wow.
And they clean each other as well within their group, because they must live in groups. They mutually clean each other, and that's how they become friends and how they kind of establish who is in charge of the group, who is the alpha, who is in charge, and who is the bottom of the pile.
Definitely. And I understand there's also been some research into
Pudding, that's rude. That is rude. Okay.
It's fine.
We have a t-shirt diving rat who,
I mean, he's comfy. Oh no,
he's clearly your friend. They say never work with animals and children.
I mean, if he's happy,
He is indeed. Right.
stay still. So there's also some discussion on rats and the plague and things like that.
Yeah, so it's actually recently been discovered that rats didn't actually spread the plague like we once thought. It was actually humans, and there are 2 types of plague, the bubonic and the pneumonic, and it was actually the pneumonic, which is spread through the lungs, that actually is what spread the plague. So rats didn't spread the plague, they're really clean, it's not their fault.
Excellent. So people have now been inspired to come and meet these rats. How can they get involved?
So we have a Facebook group, the Yorkshire Rat Club. You can find us on Facebook. We have a Facebook group, Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter, Yorkshire Rat Club. You can have a look. We're going to be doing some more rat cafes as well, and you can have a look on the York Dungeon Facebook page about that too.
Excellent. Thank you very much for talking.
You are cheeky, buddy.